Tears and blood, they flow. What to do, we don't
Young one, shadows of one.
I hope all is well.
Who are you to ask my whereabouts? Huh? What business you come? Huh? Is it your concern where I go with my family?
You cannot run away from your own shadow. So just come.
Nani, let's go. Leave this little girl alone. You know her and her mother full of bad luck. Let's go!
We have been waiting patiently since yesterday. But our people are being killed.
It's not that I am unaware of the calamity and the predicament befalling this land. I have already sent for the Ezemo to come, and he will soon be here in no time. So, let us wait for him. Here he comes. Aguba Odogu of peace and love. And we welcome you.
Live long.
Yes. Ezemo, we want to know what we have done wrong in this community, that the God of peace and love will depart from us. Ezemo, please, tell us, because you talk to the spirits. Let us know what they have said. Speak, please, Ezemo.
Until the great mass of the people are filled with the sense of obligation for each other's welfare, social justice can never be attained.
You speak in riddles. Please, be more elaborate. Tell us, in the words we can understand. Please, Ezemo.
Hearkeningly, nature hides every wrinkle of its inconceivable antiquity under roses and violets and morning dew.
Wise one, Speak to us in a language that we can understand. Our people are facing a great disaster. And
set your minds dutifully. The gods are angry, but they are silent.
My people, silent, angry. That is not good for the land. Ezemo, we must hear more. You must tell us what we shall do to avoid this.
Igwe!
Woman, calm down.
My husband is dead.
What is wrong with you? I just showed you the love of my life. You made it I want to spend the rest of my life with you. And you are practically removing our clothes with your eyes? Wait, shame on you. Before you are mad. So you hit me this hard because of a maiden you and I will meet you again. Wait. Did I hear you say a maiden you want to get married to? In fact, you are crazy, Ifeanyi. You are mad! Your father is mad! Stop it! Your mother is mad! Your whole generation are mad people!
Ha! Obiora, Ifeanyi, what is wrong with both of you? Eh? Oh, kill yourself over a lady who did not even say hello to any of you? Are you bad?
No, this man is a traitor. A traitor!
Ifeanyi! Obiora! Stop it! Abi! Stop it! Abi! Come on! Abi! Stop it!
Did you see what happened? My son is... oh God.
I don't even blame her. It's not her fault.
This Ogbanje girl. This Ogbanje girl that does not know how to greet her elders. I despise her so much.
You despise her because she does not greet your words. You do greet elders.
Ask her.
Joya. Look at her. She's so beautiful. Why can this innocent girl be an outcast?
I heard her mother was repatriated from the land because she was pregnant. And I'm sure that pregnancy.
My galon! This is the only galon we have in the house. My brother will kill me.
Ah! Oh! Take it easy.
If the water is not on, how do you expect this wound to heal fast?
Let us the water is too hot, Joe. Ah!
Look at the water now. It's not this water. It's not hot now. I'm putting my hand inside it.
It's hot.
Okay, no, Mayo. When you're fighting, you know the water will be hot.
Ah!
It's not one.
You're fine. Okay. What happened?
I don't know. He came back with these wounds on his body and he has refused to say anything.
You're fine. Who did this thing to you? Eh?
We'll follow you to your house.
I'm finished. I'm finished. Look at my God, you've seen what this evil girl has caused.
Sorry now. It's okay. Stop crying. See now, I can't even go back to the stream to what the fuck?
Adamne, what is the matter? You said you were going to the stream with your friends, and you're here crying.
Brother, I don't know what happened though.
You don't know what happened? How? Then where is the gallon?
Brother, it's broken.
It's broken! Are you mad?
Brother, it's not my fault though. It's the Ogbanje girl. The Ogbanje girl that does not know how to greet her elders. She made me broke my gallon.
Uju, you are stupid. You are stupid. You broke the last gallon we have in this house just because of a small girl.
I'm sorry. Brother, believe me. I'm saying the truth.
Go and bring that gallon before I kill you with my bare hands. Go! Can you imagine? She broke the last gallon we have in this house just because of a bush girl. If you come back to this house without that gallon, I will kill you with my bare hands.
I know the kind of person your brother is. But I know he will listen to me by the time I will get to talk to him.
My brother is very angry with me. That gallon I broke is the only remaining gallon in the house. See, when we get to the house, I will not follow him inside the compound because I don't want him to kill me.
No. Your brother will not kill you.
Ikenna.
When you say you despise her because she doesn't greet elders but keep to herself, I took side with her, but now I found out the reason why you so call her evil girl. I took sides. I still find it very difficult to believe that your Ikenna left you for that dirty bush girl who doesn't know her right from her left. Ha! Who's so much before? I did not put water in my mouth when I said it. As we speak now, only the gods knows what that girl might be doing with my Ikenna. Hey! Need to confront me. Your Ikenna. As in, you still have the mouth to call him your Ikenna after what he has done to you. Ijikwaru.
for you. Please keep your head well. Keep crying.
Why are you following me?
I don't know why I'm following you.
Then stop following me. I don't want problem.
What problem? I, Ikenna, is bigger than any problem that will come around you. Okay? So hear me out first.
We can't sit here and wait for that evil girl take us as fool.
We have to teach her a bitter lesson. She always live to remember. What are we going to do?
This is what we are going to do.
I don't just understand that girl. What kind of woman is she?
Why are you girls looking for me? Did I run from you?
How does she know we are looking for her? That's not what we should be talking about.
See, listen to me. Wherever you've taken my Ikenna to, better go and bring him out. Or like what will happen to you.
Wait. Are you people begging her what? I don't get it. Come, what is your name? And what did you do to Ikenna that made him to follow you?
I did nothing to him.
You're a liar! I saw you! You looked at him and he followed you!
Really?
Yes! What? Come, are you working out on us? Eh? My head! My leg! Uju! My leg! Uju, please! My leg!
Uju, what is the matter? Uju, what happened to you?
Brother.
Did you fight with anyone?
No. I did not fight with anybody, but...
But what, Ujunwa?
Brother, it's the evil girl, oh. The evil girl attacked us.
What is she talking about? Which girl attacked you? Are you alright?
I'm fine. She attacked me and my friends, brother. Brother, we are just on our own, oh. When she makes to pass and matched one of us, we tried to confront her now. She started insulting us and we...
Ujunwa, First, it was our only gallon that you broke. And now you're talking about a girl. I'm beginning to see that you have gone mad.
Brother, believe me. I'm telling you the truth.
What truth are you telling me? Let me tell you something. When an elderly one speaks with much infancy, it is not the sweetness of word from their mouth. It is that they say things younger ones like you can see. You're telling me the truth. Can you digest the rubbish coming out from your mouth? Look, will you go back to where you're coming from and get back that gallon? Don't think I forgot to. Go back! Go back!
Brother, please, no. Brother,
I said go back!
Brother, please. Brother, please, no, please.
What is wrong?
Brother, because
I said go back! Go and get back that gallon!
Brother, please, no, please. Brother, please. Brother, please, no. Brother, please, no. They are not to kill me! They are not to kill me! They are not to kill me!
I hope you reserve Igwe's portion because we need to give him something to shut his mouth.
Of course. This one here is his own.
Oh, okay.
But even if we didn't give him anything, the land in question is my late brother's land.
I am.
And by extension, it's my own inheritance.
Don't say that, Martin Joko. Nobody is disputing the fact that that land does not belong to you. As the only surviving brother of Dikeh. You and I, everybody know that Dikeh, your late brother, has wife and a child. And they are alive.
Uzama.
But
Mishonu. Uzama, what kind of joke is that? If you don't have anything to say, just sit down and shut up.
That I should sit down and shut up my mouth?
Yes.
Njoko, you are sick and mad. Huh? What gave you the impetus to insult me at the presence of others here?
Me?
You show me, big.
Sick.
Can you hear me?
I'm mad.
Let's go now. Don't do that now.
Uzama.
It's okay. Thank you. What of this?
Look, Ulama. Just try to hear me out. Accept to be my woman and I will close my barn for you. I am the richest farmer in this community and the nearest community. Please, Ulama.
I am not interested. So leave me alone.
See, Ulama.
Igwe! We are here to give you your right as the first citizen of Ibeko Kingdom. Igwe!
My elder.
Igwe.
You are welcome. I thank you very much. This is how we should.
Mazin Joku and Onochie. What is after them? Have them met a ghost?
My question is, what must we do before this evil cat finish all of us?
I suggest we go to Aguba for the second time.
Huh? For the second time? We consulted him before. What was the outcome?
Ooh.
What was the outcome? Was he not there when the evil cat invaded us? I suggest we look elsewhere for solution.
Please, my fellow elders. This meeting is not meant for argument. Because what is greater than the cricket is trying to force itself into the cricket hole. It is not possible.
You are right there. This evil cat must be killed.
Yes.
I know one strong, powerful Asian wine at Abajamporo. Let us consult her first thing tomorrow because she alone has a solution to this problem.
Better. Yes. We better do that. Tomorrow is too far. I suggest we go now because we don't know what the night will hold for us.
I think it's a good idea.
Let's start going.
I wonder which kind of unknown cat is this. Show yourself if you truly exist. Osonjo, let's become and watch because anything can happen tonight. So I suggest we maintain some quiet. No! I am Osonjo!
Why are you running?
That evil cat has come at the village square. Let us go inside.
Brother, my phone!
Leave the phone!
Brother!
Brother, Dikeh, you're ready to go. Yes. I hope you are eating up. How can you travel all the way to work and you know how to pay
Chima, my friend.
Mama,
hey, now. No, Mama. Thank you. Chiba. Hey, Chiba. I can see that you are ready for business today.
I got a fresh palm wine from Gooch. Let me give you a taste.
Chima, that will be very nice of you. You see, Chima, since I was entering this place, I smelled the nice of this palm wine. I said, hi!
My brother.
Chima, this is good. God will bring market for this.
Amio.
God will bring market because of this, Chima.
Ami, my brother, thank you very much. You see, there is something I've been meaning to ask you.
I'm on ears.
How true is this news of a strange cat killing people in this land? Because I've heard so many news about a cat killing people and all that, but
I've heard the stories of this cat killing people, but I've not seen it with my two naked eyes, so I don't know how true it is. And why do you ask?
You see, my mother came up with the story last night. So as if that was not enough, this morning she started again that I should not go to the market because of the strange cat, that she's afraid the strange cat might kill me and all that. So I don't really understand.
What you've said now, which means the land is no longer safe for anyone. Yes!
If his land is not safe, it is the king's challenge, not mine. He is the king and custodian of the law of this land. So he should do something to sort it out with the gods, not allowing people to die in the name of a cat.
Yes, Chima, but you see, you have to be very careful. You know, you go out on a daily basis to go and collect palm wine. And me, I don't want anything to happen to you.
Thank you, my brother. Nothing will happen to me.
Okay.
I don't have any business with the cat. I'm only minding my business here, that's all.
Of course I know, Chima. You go out and collect palm wine, we come and drink palm wine, and we become very happy. Chiba. Oh, my brother, I will become very hard. You gotta go.
Ego, please don't call my name. Or don't you know your presence irritates? Ego.
Chama, Swale Baba, how far now? My brother, I am. I do. How far now? I saw you counting your money, eh? It's like you made so much money today. I man, come buy me this. Come on,
How this your silly attitude of begging money from one person to another? Work you will not. Anybody that suffer and work, you want to collect that person's own. Eh?
Onyeka, is it because I asked you to come and buy me common drink? Common pie wine. I'm asking for half jug. I'm not even asking for the full jug. That's why you are insulting yourself. Onyeka, where you go?
Quiet your mouth there. Just this morning, you asked me to buy you a baton. So wait, is this how you're going to live your life? Begging people. Come and work in my farm, let me pay you. You will not. Just be lazying around begging people money.
Yeah,
you're not even ashamed of yourself.
Obiora, I wasn't talking to you. Obiora, I wasn't talking to you. If I don't need your money again, since you can't help a brother in need, no problem. You should not buy me anything. Don't buy me anything again. Let me go.
If you like that, man. If you like that, man. I come baby, see my mayonnaise.
Just be lazying around, okay?
Yeah, you will move Pablo.
Ego.
Dibuka. Hey, Dibuka, oh.
Ignorant of the law is no excuse. You did not know. You did not ask. And you cannot understand. You collaborated with them to ruin the future of this peaceful community. If I thought the antelope knows that the slow movement of the tiger is to hunt his life, he wouldn't have trampled into the tiger's territory. The head of Abaranze, the cat, must be brought home for the peace of the community. The gods have spoken. I'm only a messenger. 7 able-bodied youths must go in search of this head. 4 days. Hence, they shall gather. 4 days.
Buduka, hey, Buduka. Somebody, hey, Buduka, Buduka, hey, Buduka. Buduka, wake up. Buduka, Buduka, wake up. Please wake up, Buduka. Buduka, 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 hey, Buduka, wake up. Buduka, please wake up. Please, Buduka, wake up. Wake up, Buduka, Buduka. Buduka, somebody, hey, babe, hey, Buduka, Buduka. Why did Ada Obi. Ada. Ada is me, oh, fine. Mama. Ada is me, fine. Ada Obi, oh. Ada, who is after you?
The advocate. The advocate just killed Amarachi.
Not again! This evil must stop. This evil must stop.
All the same, thanks to the gods for bringing me. I want to ask you a question. Who exactly are
anytime I want to enjoy palm wine, I always come here because you give me what I want.
My brother, thank you. Thank you. The cat, oh, the cat, 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 yay, cat. The cat, the cat, the cat. Ebuka, Ebuka, stop. Come. What is the meaning of this? The cat has started again. It has started killing people in the whole community. Hey, evil cat. Will you get out from here? Get out! Ibuka, do you know you're a very stupid human being? The cat. So because of ordinary cat, you made me leave this palm wine that I'm enjoying. It's like you want to die, eh? And I require Gaba. Hi! We're a disgrace to manhood. Because Ebuka, if you try this next time, I will deal with you. Can you imagine? I'm not fear. Now who is going to pay for this palm wine that this stupid boy just drank now? Eh? What are this stupid boy? Sorry. I have to do something about this boy. Eh?
Just leave him. Just hungry guy. You know what? Give us more wine.
Obi.
Why?
You almost endangered your life.
Oh, Dikeh, the fearless warrior of Ibebu Kingdom. I was told you came to see me today.
Yes.
I know you're in a hurry to Owago to stop the fight between them and Ini Edo Kingdom.
How did you know about that?
They said the back of the tortoise. It's so hard. But do you know what the tortoise told them? He said that's the best shelter a man can have in life. Come. Go well. For the back of a cat can never touch the ground. Come, let me see you.
Did you hear that? What is that supposed to be?
You just be misbehaving. You just come and be disgracing me on the road. No shoemaker sir. Just do home service for you. Silence. The town looks like a cemetery. This cannot be my community. How can able-bodied men be running helter-skelter? When you ask them, they will tell you that it is cat sound that is pursuing them. It is cat. Very soon we'll start hearing sounds of goat. Meh. Dogs. Roof. Roof. Snake does not have sound. Only s. No solution. Where will we take? Because now we are two. I take it. No, in case the cat catches me. You know this cat. Go back. No. Come back. Right, let's go.
Jesus!
God!
Ebuka the drunkard? What have you done to the gods? And why are the gods silent? What have you done to the gods?
It wasn't like this before. Our community was peaceful. Why? Why?
Why are the gods silent? Why are the gods not speaking? Why are the gods
At first, I thought this is a fairy tale. Not until now that I saw it myself. The king must do something fast. I am telling you. I can't even believe my eyes. Hi.
What is it, struggle? I have asked the gods the same question. The answer is a torture to my soul. They hate me for no reason. Simply because my mother was accused of infidelity and adultery, of which she never committed these crimes. Nobody has ever believed me before.
What on earth could have taken your mind this far, Chima? What's going on?
Has it been long that you came?
Yes, I've been here since. Watching your countenance. What's going on, Chima? Talk to me.
I was taken away by sit down.
Thank you.
I was taken away by the recent calamities, the thoughts of the recent calamities that has been befalling this our peaceful land.
Calamities? What calamities are you talking about, Chima?
The cat. Oh, the evil cat that has been devouring people in this community. I saw it myself. I saw Ibuka's corpse. I saw the marks.
Chima, are you serious? You saw Ebuka's corpse devoured by that cat?
Very serious. You see, I used to see it as a hearsay thing.
Hey! Hey!
But now I saw it myself. I cannot believe that there is an evil cat existing in this community. Now the question is, who is next?
Hey! Hey!
Because the land is no longer safe for anybody.
Chima, this is disastrous.
It is.
Hey!
To do something fast.
Very fast. The Igwe and the entire community must do something as fast as possible. Hey, Chima. Chima, you see, I have to run along now. Hey!
Mazen Joku, I said I am not interested.
Don't you understand?
Dikeh, bringing back the head of Agbaranze, the cat, is the only remedy to our problem.
A man whose house is on fire does not sleep for it.
Yes.
The gods have chosen me.
Where were the gods when I lost my immediate younger brother by this same cat face? Please let me.
Listen up, guys. Since the elders are not willing to do anything to tackle the present predicament facing this community, I think it's high time we visited the king about this.
Exactly, you just spoke my mind. I overheard my father telling my mother that they are going to see the Igwe concerning this same issue we are discussing now. So I think it's the right one.
My brothers, I think it is no longer news. The problems we have been facing in this community in recent times. And I would suggest that we try our best and mobilize the youth so we can go and see the Igwe and tell him exactly what is happening.
That's very good. You see, this issue is indeed a thing of concern to every individual in this community because no one is safe anymore.
Exactly what I was saying before now. I think we should forget everything about these elders since they are not ready to do anything and go straight to the king.
That's a wise decision, but you see, and I'm in full support of it. But we have to inform the youth first.
Exactly.
Oh!
I got you, man. Welcome, sir.
I know you must do your power. We hope nothing has happened.
Nothing new, except the one you know. Ebuka is dead and there is tension in the land. And we have all decided to go and see the Igwe.
Oh, that's so thoughtful of you guys. When are we planning to see the king?
As soon as we mobilize the youth, then we're going to see the king.
It'll be so nice. So when are we looking at?
We are looking at a day after tomorrow.
That's next tomorrow.
Yeah,
You
exactly.
see, whatever we're doing have to be very quick.
Yes.
Because this land is no longer safe anymore.
Exactly.
Since we've concluded in seeing the king, why don't we tell the town crier so that he can announce it to all youth?
You see, Chima, I quite disagree with you because none of us have such rights. It is only the Igwe or the Uno that has such rights. Yes.
It's okay. Whatever we're doing, we should be fast.
Yes. Yes.
I got a fresh panwas.
Shema.
Obidike, Odoguwoke, you need to hear the cry of your people. What benefit do you derive watching your people die every day by day? The gods have chosen you for this adventure. Wait. We can easily forgive a child who is afraid of darkness. But the greatest tragedy is when men are afraid of light. What is your grievance? Why are you backing off this journey?
Son, this meeting is over.
Mama, I want to open the door for brother. He has been knocking since. Oh yeah, open it. Mama can open it. Eh? Oh, come on, enter house. That's why you hear me. If you want to talk to, let him open the window.
No,
Go
Mama,
to the window.
Mama, what is the meaning of this? No, why have you been locked in here? Somebody should open this. I want to ease myself.
Shema, if you want to ease yourself, there is bucket inside and after using it, your sister will throw it out.
Excuse me, Mama, did you just say that to me?
Yes, I said.
Mama, I should you be left inside a bucket in my own father's house? Mama, open this out. I will break it now.
I will not open it. Break it.
Mama, what if he breaks the door now?
Will you shut up your mouth?
Let's open the door for him to go and eat.
Shut up your mouth. Mwabaka, I don't have the strength to chase him. Let him remain there.
Mama, this is not fair. Open this out. Break this door. Open this door.
Mama, this is
Mama, talk to your mother.
Mama, give me.
Once we see him, tell him everything that has been going on in his absence. You understand me? And next thing we're going to do is to involve in all our plans. Simple you. So once we see him, just give him everything that
Good morning.
Good morning, Mama. Good morning. Mama, how are you, ma?
I'm fine.
Please, is Chima at home?
Oh, he left very early. Obviously, he went to check, she went to buy freshman wine.
Chima about wine.
Mama, are you saying Chima left early this morning?
I hope all is well. This why you people came to check in this early morning.
Yes, Mama, there's no problem. We're here to see Chima concerning the meeting we have to visit the Igwe.
Yeah, Mama, that is true. Actually, we are here as a result of the present predicament our community is facing.
Hey, yeah, that is nice. My children.
Mama.
Be careful.
Yes,
yeah?
ma'am.
You will join me when he comes back.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, Mama.
Please tell him we check on him.
Fine, be very careful. Mama, these boys are really serious. They want to go to the evil forest of the cat. And I heard nobody goes in there and comes out alive.
My daughter, they want to waste their brother's life. It will not work for them. It's less difficult.
Great warrior of our time, what troubles you? I can listen to the sound and I see boredom, questions, unquenchable anger.
Gods have decided to keep quiet over my questions and worries.
Your questions can only be answered if you let go of your anger.
How can I when my only brother was killed by this heartless cat?
Sorry.
Why are you leaving?
Nothing. I just have to go.
Please. When do I see you again?
Just close your eyes. I'm always by your side. Obi, set your mind beautifully.
Thank you. Brother, now don't finish the fish. Brother. You mean you're one of the warriors choosing to go and bring back the head of Agbalanze the cat?
Yes, Nne. Is there anything wrong with that?
Yes, so brother. Everything is wrong with it. You know our parents are no more. And you want to leave me in this world. You're not going anywhere.
Uju, my sister. I will go and I will come back. Ejana ya BCJ. We thank the gods who have given us a solution to our problem. Okay, so let us eat. So eat.
But I'm afraid. I don't want anything to happen to you. You know you're the only one I have in this world. Please.
Uju, my sister. I will go. Besides, I'm not the only one chosen for this mission. We are 7 in number, including Obidike.
Which Obidike? Which Obidike are you talking about? The one that chased the elders out of his compound. You mean Obidike the head warrior? Or is there any other Obidike in this community?
Uju, my sister. Please eat your food.
I don't want to eat again.
I will go.
Obiora, you're not looking bright.
I'm okay. Just wondering where my friend Onyeka had gone.
Onyeka? He has obviously run away from his duties as a man. But this is not the time to leave our community. This is not the time. We must all stay back and defend our community for the sake of the next generation and for posterity.
Yes, I agree with you. But come to think of it, I did not see Chima in the village square or the palace.
And that is true. I sincerely don't know what is wrong with Chima. But I will go to his house and inform him that he's been chosen. If I go and bring another plank.
Mama, let me just get this one.
Is anyone in the house? Chima! 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 Chima!
No.
Oh.
Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm fine.
Please, is Chima at home? No. Really?
Yes.
I've checked him at the shop and he's not there.
Hope there's no problem.
There's no problem. It's just that he's been chosen as one of the youth that will go to Forest of the Cats to bring the head of Agbalanze and cleanse the land from all the evil calamities.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Wow, that's nice. And I will tell him when he returns.
Okay, please do, because time is not on our side. Tell him we will be leaving in 2 days' time.
Okay.
And send me well to Mama.
Okay, I will. My brother, you're going to the Forest of the Cats. Oh no, this is not possible. He has been chosen as one of the people that goes to the evil forest. And they are living in 2 days. Don't walk. What are we doing?
My sister, you really mean what you're saying, or you are joking?
I'm joking, Okwaya. Why won't you see it as a joke? When Obidike, the head warrior, is your brother, and if the cat face visits, he can withstand it.
How could our elders go as far as Abaja Uporo to consult a priestess? What happened to Agoba, our chief priest?
Oh dear. I don't know.
Stop them.
Amaka, leave her. This girl, she is evil.
If she's evil, who cares?
Eh? I can't marry her.
And you, let today be the first and last time I will see you in my house again. Oh, it's your plan to transfer that your bad luck to my household, Abi? The next time I'll see you with my brother.
The great one of Quebec Kingdom. Do not be troubled.
Myself to do.
Sorry, but have you taken medication?
Can you imagine if there's no single money in this house? I've not taken anything. And come to think of it,
Tomorrow is the day we are supposed to go to the land of the cat. Ifeanyi, what am I going to do?
Sorry, brother, but I don't know how we're going to do it. You know, you're supposed to go as one of the warriors.
You can see my condition now. You have to let me tell the chief priest what is going on.
It's alright. Please take care of yourself. I will deliver your message. But ma, please take care of him.
Thank you.
Obiara, please get rest soon.
Okay.
Take care.
Thank you very much, my friend.
Brother, what kind of expensive joke is this now? You got me scared. My heart is beating.
I saw the way you panicked. Look, don't you know tomorrow is the day we're supposed to go to the land of the cats? Do you want me to die?
No, go forbid.
If I die, who's going to take care of you? My bank or Ola? Ha! I can't go.
Brother, that joke was so expensive. You got me so scared. I don't like it.
Emergency sickness. I've finally escaped going to that place. This how you. I'm expecting to our team.
The warriors are waiting for me already at the village square. I must go join them.
Good luck, my love. The gods will lead you back safely.
Thank you very much. Please do take care of yourself. And be strong.
I will.
I will be back.
Suffering in the land, death and evil in the land, tears and blood that flow. What to do, we don't
God forbid. I cannot go to the evil forest of the stupid cats. Let me run to my maternal side.
Everything will be fine. Soon as you want to see
You cannot stop me.
Adika, you are not going anywhere.
You cannot stop me.
No.
I am a go-getter.
See, Adika, I will accept everything from you, but I won't consider you leaving my side. I carry you in my womb for 14 months. Huh? I know how tough giving birth to you was to me. Adika, get inside the house.
Mom, I am going for a national assignment.
No.
I am going for a national assignment. In fact, I'm on a mission to save my father's land from this impediment, otherwise called impending doom, that has befallen our great Ibe kingdom. Before the gods chose me, they saw that I was physically and mentally nimble, deft, buoyant, and frisky.
Hey! On your evil. Eh? Oh, why are you holding him? Eh? Allow him to go and die. He's of no use to us in this house. Yeah, don't want.
You better run forever. If you come back to this house, You will see what I will do to you. Huh? My only son. Chinaya, if anything happens to my son, you will see what I will do to you. This girl has killed me. If anything happens to my son, Africa.
Tears of blood, the flow. What to do, we don't
Brother, listen to me. Brother, please don't go, brother. Brother, you know you're the only one I have in this house, in this world, brother. Who is going to be my father? Brother, who will be my father? Brother, what have I done to you? What have I done to deserve this heartbreak, brother? Please don't go. Please don't go. Please don't go, brother. Brother, please. Go back, please. Go back, brother. Brother, please. Please don't leave me.
If I am my son, what have I done to this wicked world? If you leave me and your father, who will be my son? Onyega busekwara no mwa. Onyega buru mwa. Ifeanyi onyega busere no mwa. Onyega buru mwa Ifeanyi.
Ifeanyi nwa. Ifeanyi, be strong. The gods of our ancestors will see you through. There's no evil that will harm you on your way. If ojo na-eme n'iru ịnọdụ n'azụ, ọ na-eme n'azụ ịnọdụ n'iru. Go in peace. The people of Ibek will see you return.
If I am my son, you shall go well. The gods of our ancestors will protect you. No evil by any means shall hurt you. You shall go and come back in peace. It shall be well with you, my son.
Because of our sorry, my love. He will go back. Right? Stop crying.
You shall be well with
Nothing will happen to him. Nothing will happen to Ifeanyi.
Ifeanyi shall be well with you.
It's okay.
Onyega buru mwa.
Pain and suffering in the land, death and evil in the land, tears of blood, the flow. What to do, we don't know. Tears of blood, the blood. What to do, we don't
Ago. Sounds like yesterday. When I come, the temple keeper of the Beku kingdom died. The God spoke in one voice that I, Akuba, will be the next to serve them. Since then I've been serving, ministering the mind of the gods to the people of the Beku kingdom. Who among you slept with a woman last night? I repeat, who among you slept with a woman last night? Who
told us, this is where we have told us that we are coming tonight. But look at this boy, very thick. Very thick, very thick. All because of cancer. Meow. Meow, just meow.
Aki, will you shut up? This is a dangerous zone. And the least thing we need now is distraction. The gods are asleep.
Why would the gods be sleeping? The gods that are supposed to protect me, they are sleeping. I must shut them up. Hey! Hey!
I've been standing here for some minutes, staring at you, but you did not notice my presence. What is it?
After we also donate for the forest, I have lost my peace totally. I don't sleep at night anymore as a result of nightmare.
You have to calm down. You have to calm down and pray to the gods to grant them success in their mission. Or probably bring them back safely. Remember, my brother is involved in this. So cheer up.
Your words give me strength. I feel thanks for being my friend.
You're welcome. So what do you have?
Stay together at all times. No one is permitted to leave without getting a permission from me. In case you face any challenge, feel free to talk to me. And you, Akita, if you want to survive this journey, you have to change your attitude. You misbehave at that.
Chief Warrior.
Yes.
The same way we air our mind.
Go ahead.
Hungry, they catch me. Since we embark on this mission, man no chop nothing, sir. I be the God no get conscience.
I forbid you to speak to the gods in that night. Now listen. Like I said before, I will instruct you on where and when to eat. Are we clear? Imete mana. Ejara mi sije.
Mama, you're still crying. The way you're going about this, you end up being sick. Oh. Eh? Akika will come back safely. Trust me, Mama.
Oh, go so for one lad. He's my only son. This pain is too much for me to bear. Huh? Please bring back my only son.
Mama, it's okay. It's okay. Eh? Eh?
My only son.
We'll come back. It's okay.
Stop
crying. You will come back. Stop crying.
Where's the fine? Ifeanyi! No, come back!
Obviously, seeing your face, it seems all is not well. What is disturbing you?
Nani, all is not well. Makukwa kepe yikpo mmadụ abụrụ ihe ọma.
Nne, you are confusing me the more. Huh? What is it?
Nani, have you heard from the warriors or their well-being? Because my instinct tells me that all is not well with my son, Ifeanyi.
Why are you talking like this? You and I know that whenever the warriors embark on a journey like this, everybody is kept in suspense till they return. Just relax. Relax.
Nine, relax. Relax. Because I am worried. Is there no way we can contact them to know if they are okay or to know what is going on over there? Eh? I don't want to lose my only son. He's all I got. Please, Nine.
I know how you feel. But I want to advise that you still keep your faith and trust in the gods. Our warriors will go and return safe and sound and in good health. Just relax. Don't be afraid. They will come back safe. Just go home. Obiageli? Go. Just go. All is well. Relax. Good night.
Oh, I have seen him. Where is he? Look at this.
This is the idiot's bangle.
Oh my God, see.
Brothers, I charge you all to take heart, because the journey ahead of us is still very far. We have lost one. If we are careful, we won't lose another. Let us continue our journey.
herself now. Ever since her son left for that evil forest, she has never been herself.
Pain and suffering in the land, death and evil in the land, tears and blood.
Uzoma, I'm really afraid though. I feel like running away from this village because the whole place is no longer conducive for me.
My dear, our women and children are suffering because of the calamities the cat has brought to us. They cannot even leave their house because of the fear of the cats. I don't even know the fate of my son, Ifeanyichukwu.
I pray that the gods grant the warriors the favor of bringing the head of Agbalanze the cat, or else we are all doomed for life.
My dear, I suggest we meet our chief priest Agoban so that he will consult the spirit on the fate of our warriors, their progress.
I think that is a good idea.
Better.
We should inform the others too.
It's better. Better. We do it in that way.
Ọkara mmadụ ọkara mmụọ. Eke oye, afọ nkwọ. Ka o metara ya buru o. Ka o metara ya buru o. Aka ma adịrọ ya.
Great one. We want to know if our warriors have reached their destination and their progress so far.
Elders of Ibeku Kingdom. The gods are silent on the matter. Go and come back in 3 market days.
Huh? 3 market days?
Yes! 3 market days.
Gods of our land, let me not be put to shame. My soul has left my body ever since my one and only son, Ivani, left for the forest on a mission. Bitterness and pain has taken solace in my heart.
me. You people should hold me. I know this god does not have intestine. Chief warrior pending. One of your warriors is pending. Keep quiet! Are we not there yet? Haven't we reached? Sorry.
Because the land we're about to enter is a dangerous ground, I need to fortify you. Gods of our land, we ask for your protection as we embark on this dangerous journey. Thank you for your protection so far. And please, do not forsake us now. After this place, the next forest is the territory of the cats. It is really dangerous over there.
Chief warrior.
Shut up!
That is my liquor.
Shut up! Let me have that job.
I finished it.
I need to fortify you more, because the land you are about to trample in is a very dangerous one. As we enter into the territory of the cats, we shall be distracted with sounds, cat sounds from both the mother cat and the kitten. I urge you, brothers, please do not cover your ears. I repeat, Akika, do not cover your ears.
Yes, Chief Warrior.
After a while, the sound will fade away and we shall continue on our journey to our destination.
Chief Warrior.
Yes.
I have a confession to make. Please. I want to go back to Igwe Kingdom.
Are you out of your senses, Akika? We have journeyed for so long. And taking that kind of decision now is tantamount to stupidity.
Please. I'm no longer interested. Look for a replacement.
Akika, what has come over you? You're becoming a pain in the neck. I suggest you stop distracting us.
Are you done? I take my leave.
Let's go.
Wait for me.
My fellow elders, this is no longer a joke, because the silence of the gods on this crucial matter is very disturbing.
Then, my elders, what do we do now? Because every single day, things are getting worse and messier.
I'm as helpless as a day-old baby. 3 market days. It's too much. Too much. And the worst of it all is that he didn't look at us throughout the meeting. He was backing us in his children. Even to offer us a seat. No way.
That is my problem.
I think something is wrong.
What is it?
What is it?
Talk now.
Your wife, she fainted.
My wife! Hey! My wife!
Who's on?
I'm finished.
Holy shit, warriors. Look at your body, warriors.
Let this be the last time you put such stunts.
Please leave him. You know Akika.
Akika. Where's my
Akika! You better stop this thing before you put all of us into trouble.
Okay. We'll be fine, eh? Stop thinking too much, eh?
Go.
We'll be alright. Yeah.
Ikenna has turned to bush meat. Fine bush meat.
My love.
You're the best thing that has ever happened to me.
Wow. That's good to hear. I have seen beauty, but yours is exceptional.
Thank you. Ikem, I have something to tell you.
I'm all ears.
I'm carrying your seed.
Wow. You mean you're pregnant for me?
Yes.
And I'm going to be a father?
Yes.
Bless the gods. This is the best story I've heard for a long time. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Your mood just changed. What is it?
I have been chosen as one of the warriors that will go to the dreaded forest of the cats to bring back the head of Agbalaze.
Why now? How will I cope? On whose shoulder will I lean?
My love, I know how you feel. But you must understand that this is a fight to liberate our community from this calamity the cats have befallen our community.
I will miss you so much. I will miss you. I will miss you so much.
You have refused to eat anything since morning. It is not good for your present condition. Mother, please eat your food.
Honey, I'm fine.
I know, my daughter. I am your mother. You can't convince me with that. What is eating you up?
Is he fine, Mama? I can't stop thinking about him. No one even knows their fate in the forest of the cats.
My daughter, calm your nerves. The gods that took him there will surely bring him back safely. Remember, there are other warriors involved. Eat your food. Mother, eat your food. It's okay. Stop crying.
Ikenna. Ikenna. Luwana. Yadiba.
Great warriors of the Ibeku kingdom. It's so painful to watch a brother die and you cannot do anything to help him. But I urge you, brother, to keep courage until we capture the head of the Abalanze the cat. For now, this place is no longer safe for us. We have to leave here.
Chief Warrior, so what happens to Ikenna's body?
It's for the cats to feed on.
Oh, not again. Gods of our land. Why?
Oh, so Ikenna is now a bushmeat. May the soul of the departed rest in peace.
It's enough, Actor. Enough. Let's leave here now, before the cats will feed on us.
Responsible.
Mama, is it fine? Must my son?
Ada, you have killed me. For how long has this seed been planted here? For how long?
Ada! Ada, come back here! Ada, come back here!
Galon na ima uzoma.
Mbere o. No. Ochela.
My, how is your wife, Obiageli?
She's responding gradually.
May the gods be praised.
This one you are in my house, I hope all is well.
No, all is not well. There's a little problem.
Problem?
Yes.
What's all about?
It's that my daughter here has been put in a family way by your son, Ifeanyi.
Is it true?
Mazi, it's true. I even told him before he left for the forest. He warned me not to tell anybody until he returns.
Apart from your mother, have you told any other person?
No, no one, I. No.
It's alright. I want this now to be a secret between you and me.
Okay, then.
Understand? Until my son, Ifeanyi, returns.
Okay, then.
Eh? Meanwhile, I will handle the case. There will be no problem.
Thank you, Nai. Indeed, you have restored strength to my bones. We'll be leaving now.
I'm not going again. I'm not going again.
What is your problem?
I'm not going again.
What is wrong with you, Akika? It is not time to rest yet. Let's keep moving. You'll soon rest.
We have been trekking for miles. No sign of where we are going to, no direction. I am not going anywhere.
Akika, we all are tired. Just be strong and let's cover this path. Like Dikeh has said, we will rest. We've lost two of our brothers and we can't afford any more calamity.
Okay, carry me. Carry me.
Akika!
Carry my bottle. Carry my bottle.
Akika! Be careful!
Carry my bottle. My bottle. Carry my bottle. Don't forget this bottle. Carry my bottle. Have you carried the bottle?
Sorry I didn't come earlier as expected. That's no problem. At least you are here now.
So how is she doing now?
She is responding to treatments.
Okay. She really needs to stop thinking and rest more.
That's what the pharmacist advised.
Let me see you. Put it here. I've eaten all your houses. There's many just two for you.
Don't worry, I just eating this one.
Okay. Do you know that since this calamity befell our community, things have been very difficult with us? No social gathering again. Less farming. We don't even go to the stream to go and swim. The thing is really bothering me.
My fear is for those warriors that left to the forest. No one has heard anything about them, even their whereabouts.
My prayer goes to their families and loved ones. Why are you laughing? What's so funny?
That's all. I just remember that guy, the talkative. I'm sure he must be dead by now.
Why are you talking like this?
My dear, I wonder what the gods saw in him that made them want to be chosen.
I pity his poor mother, who thinks she has a son.
Is that what you saw?
Anyway, of what use is it to the family? Who even marry him?
My dear,
let's play Biko.
Let's forget about Akika and talk of something else.
We have just 2 houses remaining. Wait. Do you know I saw Ifeanyi's mother the other day and I greeted her. She did not respond.
Why?
I don't know. She was looking pale and weak.
I pity that poor woman. I heard she's seriously sick. May the gods help her.
Let me win you again. Take your smarts.
This time.
Oh, there is no time because I have one of your house already.
It is a privilege to stand before you, great warriors of Ibeku Kingdom. We are about to embark on yet another stage of our journey in this territory of the cats. And I urge you all to be courageous, not minding the predicaments that have befallen us since we started this journey. I want you all to see your lips with this palm front. For the territory we're about to enter is very dangerous, and no one is permitted to look back. Should anyone look back, the cats will feast on your body. Are we clear?
Ọkara mmadụ ọkara mmụọ. Arọ mmụọ na mmadụ na-agbara ọsọ. Ọbara tụle. Ọkara akwụ. Otu ọla. Anụ ngangam.
Great one. We are indeed sorry to disturb you at this moment. To say the least, we have lost our patience. We are here to know the whereabouts of our warriors that embarked on the journey. Whether the journey was successful or not, and their present state, and whether they are even still alive. I hope I've spoken that way.
Yes.
Yes.
Elders of Ibeku Kingdom. The gods are still silent on this matter. I will advise you to go home and rest. The gods will speak at each appointed time.
But wise one, can't we at least see your face?
Until the warriors of Ibeku step their foot on the motherland, my face shall not be heard any mortar. The ways of the gods cannot be questioned. Be warned.
We may leave now. I am no longer finding the silence of the gods funny. Rather, it is very disturbing.
Hope you are not thinking what I'm thinking.
I pray the warriors are still alive.
I hope so too. I hope so.
Good morning, Kim. I hope you slept well.
Slept well now.
In fact, I'm happy to see you healthy and strong once again.
Thank you, Nan. Nan, you came back late yesterday. What did Abuba say concerning my son and the rest of them?
My dear, when we went to the shrine of Abuba, we did not see him. We only met the messenger. And he told us that Abuba went into the bush to communicate with the spirits. But we will see you again.
Let me go inside and prepare your food, okay?
Okay, my dear. Please do. The worms in my stomach have started biting me. I'm coming, huh? Thank you very much.
I am tired. Dikeh said, I am tired. The gods would have told us that we are sent to this forest to be killed by those cats. First it was Ifeanyi, followed by Ikenna, now Osondo. The question is, who is next to die?
Abuji, I understand how you feel, and I share in your grief. But the truth is that we are in this together. So I urge you to be courageous. Let us forge ahead.
No, I'm giving up. I won't continue with this, because I will not stand down and watch those cats feast on my flesh. What is your problem? I said I'm tired, and I'm going.
Very well then. Safe journey.
What have I done to deserve this, huh? I'm sure that my only son is dead. Oh.
Mama.
Hey.
Let's not conclude until we hear from Abuba, the chief priest. I heard he has not been out of the Shiran ever since the war of it.
Hey!
It's okay. He'll come back.
Oh, my son.
Mama, he will come back.
My son! Come back to me, come back to me. Come back to me. Oh, my son. Akika! Hey!
Akika! Akika! Stand up!
You don't have to stress yourself. in this condition?
Mama, I'm fine. I thought it's wise for me to go get you some firewood in the farm, so you won't start stressing yourself to look for it.
Thank you very much. Each time I see you, I see joy. But I promise you, your own children will give you joy, peace, happiness.
Say, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
Thank you very much. Greet your mother for me. Oh?
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you. Go well.
Okay.
How is she?
She's fine. She was very fine.
Please, I want you to stay close to me and inform me your whereabouts. You know your condition. I don't want anything to happen to you. Go inside. Your food is ready. Go and eat your food. You're welcome.
Nana, wait for me now. You are too fast.
Dikeh.
Yes?
Dikeh, please, I'm very tired. Let's rest here before we continue this journey.
Nana. We're almost there. Right behind this thing is the shrine of our Dikeh. We'll rest for a while. When we regain our strength, we shall continue.
You people should go and get the head of our balance. I will be up there waiting for you people patiently.
Are you out of your senses, Akika? You cannot do that because we can't leave you behind here. You see, we have a different route back to the community once we get the head of our balance, the cat from the shrine. Okay? It is way too risky for you to stay behind here because we're not coming back to this place again.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. You take the route. I'll be here waiting. Come here.
I warned you about the danger behind us. The gods revealed this for us to know there is a problem behind us. Let's leave here.
Is it true? Is it true?
Yes, our Igwe is dead.
Hey! Igwe! Hey!
We made it. Hey! You are welcome, brave warriors of Ibeku Kingdom.
Thank you, wise one.
You have come here to seek for the head of Abalanze.
This is it. Take it. Thank you very much, wise one.
The gods are even aware we are coming.
We need to grab this and leave here immediately.
Yes.
Not my head. Your head will be good. Catch it.
Nana.
Aka!
Nana.
What is?
Fight, oh. Fight.
When the gods of thunder was born to beware of his enemy, little did he know that he was sitting on a keg of a gunpowder which will explode at anything. Nana, the son of Akpagu, I command you now to vanish into the land of...
Nana!
Nana! Go on as fast as you can! Take the left! That will take you to the village!
I hope you are coming. Nana! Don't die, you! At least let me see the village before you die. Eh? I might manage Nana's ghost. Gods of the Great Kingdom, let nothing come. Let nothing come here. You people like surprising people. Yeah, respect yourself. Don't fall from my head. Don't fall from my head. You did. Don't have to. You see what I told you? It's only two of us. It's only two of us. No ghost. I don't want to see Dikeh's ghost. If it is not natural, I'll manage it. See what I told you? You see what I told you? It's only the two of us remaining. Survive together. We will survive together. Don't do that thing again. Because of me. Not again now. Not again. Eh? Not again. See what Dikeh did though. Now this liquor is finished. Check my liquor and use it. Now I'm the one suffering. Finally, I arrived the great Igmekuku kingdom. Home sweet home. I am Akika, the great warrior, the one that was chosen by the gods because he was physically and mentally nimble, buoyant, and frisky. I sojourned to the territory of the cats, conquered them, and came back with this head of Abalangi, the cat. Welcome to Igmekuku kingdom. Didn't taste like. Oh, I hope I will eat that offer. Oh, so it's you. If I will call your face then, I'll go back.
Welcome home, Akika. Welcome back to the land of your fathers. Follow me to Igwe's palace.
Oh, not again now. Eh? I went to the land of the spirits and suffered. And now I came back to my motherland. I'm still suffering. Eh?
Spirit is not fail. Hmm? Look at him. Hmm? I don't even know whether he's a human being or a crop. Has grass on his head. With thick sand roots. The grass won't even die. I say I should follow him. How do I follow him now? Well, let me follow him now.
Greetings, elders of Ibeku Kingdom. Send for the town crier. Tell him to announce the arrival of Akeka, and also to tell the villagers to assemble here for immediate coronation of our next king.
No.
It's a good sign.
Yeah, so yes.
Let's go ahead.
Finally, our balance are finally arrived.
Oh, no food, no water. I gather strength. I am seeing stars. I am seeing stars. Hmm? Intestines, you have to calm down. The great Akika, the only physically and mentally nimble warrior from Igwe Kingdom. The arrival, I sojourned to the territory of the cats. I conquered and I came back with the head of the Abalanze, the cat. This is in my custody. We returned together. Aguba, Aguba. How many times have I called you? You have used dust to leave me. Hmm? You think everybody has spirit. I don't even know whether it's a human being or a crop. Growing grass plantation on his head with thick roots. At least you would have honored my position as the last man standing. I should follow dust. When I reach the Igwe's palace, I'm going to tender my heartfelt. I have not been in Igwe Kingdom for a while. I just came back from my trip. Is the Igwe's palace the straight or the left? It's always on the straight lane or slope. No. Go to the left. I am seeing stars. No. I have to proceed to be identified by Aguba, the chief priest. Now proceed.
Go round the village and tell everyone to remain indoors till Aguba, the chief priest, tells us what to do next. Is that understood?
Yes, Nai.
You may go now.
Take my leave.
I'm very much convinced that Dikeh and the warriors are dead.
What your tongue?
Now I see why Agoba refused to tell us the progress and the fate of the warriors.
Hey. Hey.
Let's not jump to conclusion till we hear from Agoba, the chief priest.
Listen very attentively. The king and his cabinet have ordered everyone to remain indoors until Agoba, the chief priest, give his final instruction. Pass this to others. So. People of Ibe, listen very attentively. The king and his cabinet have ordered others to remain indoors until Agoba, the chief priest, pass his final instruction. Pass it to others. So.
Ọ̀kàrà mọ́nà ọ̀kàrà mú ọ. Olùkọ́ kò sí edu o. Ètò ọ̀ra ọ̀kàrà túlé ọ̀kàrà àpò. Ètò ọ̀ra. Ṣé àbọ̀kọ́? Olùkọ́ kò sí edu. Ẹ̀kẹ́ oyè àfọ̀kwọ́. Jabo.
We welcome our own son, Akika, back to Ibeku Kingdom after the sojourning in the territory of the cats. You have indeed made us proud by bringing back the head of Agbalanze the cat for the cleansing of our community. But we are sad because on this mission we lost 6 able-bodied warriors and illustrious sons of this kingdom. I have promised their families and loved ones that they shall not be forgotten. Henceforth, the 6 families are now members of the royal family. Having said that, I now invite the chief priest to continue with the rest of the activities for the day.
Akika, step forward. Let me have the head of that balance of the cat. Ibeku Kingdom!
So this mission was in vain. Look at how all the elders just died. And they say more just disappear. Something that I went, I saw, and I conquered. You people should take care of yourselves, though. Cat. Wait. See, don't come near me. I conquered you. 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 What be Dikeh? Chief warrior. You are dead. You are a ghost. No. Chief warrior. Chief warrior.
Please, Uju. I wouldn't want to come back and meet you in the mood I met you. Just believe nothing happened to your brother.
I promise it won't happen again. Just that the constant nightmares kept me worrying. I'm glad you're back to the village. And I also know that my brother will be glad to see his love back.
Now you sound positive. Because of his love, I came back. My love will also bring him back.
I'm so glad you're back. And I know if you were around, you would have convinced him not to embark on that mission.
You're right, Uju. But you'll still be back from this.
Well, thank you so much. Thank you for the things you brought for me. I'm grateful. Thank you.
Great warrior of our land, welcome. You have indeed savaged our land.
Why didn't the gods tell you that this was a ploy to clear up all the vibrant youth of this town? Why? Why did the gods send us on a mission when they know they cannot protect us? I lost all my men. I lost virtually all my men except that useless drug Akrika. I even lost my life. Just as I got it back by stroke of chance.
Speak no more. Great warrior of our land. You have the right to feel the way you do. What you call stroke of chance was destiny. Your compassion for the oppressed brought you back.
What do you mean?
You know exactly what I mean. Because we are silent all this while, so that your real destiny will manifest. Now that you are back with the real head of the cat, hand it over to me, so that the land can be free.
Don't I need it for my own protection?
You have dined with the priestess of the cats in the underworld. Nothing can harm you. Of course. I know she told you why you were invincible.
I can't afford to lose you. Okay. Just wait a little. Maybe the reappearance of the cat shows that the warriors are on their way.
That is it. That would mean the cat is harmless. Maybe those kids were just raising false alarm.
Wait now. Just wait. Africa! Africa! You're back! Where are the rest? Where is my brother? And why are you with drink?
Which of the questions do you want me to answer first? If you know what is good for you, dash into your house because the evil cats have returned and ghost has invaded the land.
Africa, please. Please, Africa, could you be sober for once and give me a straight answer? Where is Dikeh? Where is my brother?
Well, Dikeh, I saw him along the stream road. But I can assure you, he's a ghost. We'll talk later. Let me run for my dear life. Gato!
What kind of human being is this? I'm going to look for Dikeh and the rest.
Are you no longer afraid?
At least I have the idea that they are back. My brother is back.
Affection is the virtue that plagues even the gods. The anger of the gods are based when they get hooked with the mortals. Dikeh, the warrior with the heart of the dove. Welcome to your destiny.
Who are you and what brings you to the underworld? How did a mere mortal like you enter here with such arrogance?
My name is Dikeh, the great warrior, descendant of Odyoko, the great hunter. I come in search of the head of Awalanza the cat. And as for how I came here, the gods have an answer to that question.
Funny, head of Agbaranzi. That means you would have to wrestle me out of the room to get past.
Okay, that's fair enough.
The first obstacle of our land. I come in peace. Make way for my guests to come in.
How can a mere mortal be a guest to the supreme princess?
That is the riddle of the gods. Make way now. You, follow me. Those things will be useless here. Let's go. can lead you. You have to cross the stream yourself. Across, you take the path at your left, which leads to where the head of Abalanza is preserved.
My priestess, please. There is this question that has been bothering my heart all this while. There is this girl in the village that her presence shoots my heart. But sincerely speaking, ever since I set my eyes on you, I have been feeling that same sensation her presence ignites in my heart.
You mean Ma? You won't understand. Let me just say, I am not mere mortal. Secondly, Mma is me and I am Mma. She's just my apparition in the human realm.
I should have known. Look at the resemblance. Just that you are an older version of her. I mean, she's younger. Priestess, what is going on?
Dikeh, it's time to move. Take this flute. If you encounter any obstacle on your way, blow the flute and the obstacle will give way. If anyone proves stubborn, then imagine your moments with a man and you shall see me. Dikeh, move! Move, Dikeh!
I'm sorry, Uju. I'm really sorry. Just that I was carried away by the things that happened during the mission.
Thank the gods that you people are back. Why am I hearing that the evil cat is back?
It's been resolved.
Okay. What about the people that were running that they saw it? Even Africa?
Yes.
That was because the head that was brought back before was the wrong one. You know, but I came back with the real Abalanze, and the chief priest had gone to replace it.
Okay. Where are others? Where is my brother? Where is my brother?
I'm sorry, Eugene. Africa and I are the only people that survived.
Hey.
You mean? No. You mean my brother is dead? My...
Uju! He won't do this to me, Uju!
I was on my way to the shrine.
No one can enter the shrine now until the purification period is over. It was desecrated by the corpses of the elders that brought calamity to us.
That's exactly why I was coming to see you as a mom. How come the gods never revealed this until we lost all our warriors?
The gods are silent over the matter. It was probably why they took you off, so that the wrong head will be brought first. The gods struck them as soon as the head was presented at the shrine.
Are you telling me you never knew they were responsible until that day?
Exactly. I was taken to the spiritual realm, where I was told they connived to kill Mazi and framed up his wife just to possess his lands.
Don't bother telling me. I was told by his daughter too.
His daughter?
How has she been?
She has refused to stop weeping. I'm trying to let her know we are in this pain together. Her brother was my fiance.
Ojo, for how long will you be like this? You have to be strong for your brother, okay? See, your brother died a brave man. And I'm very sure wherever he is in the world beyond, he is fulfilled and happy. Okay?
I lost my brother. I lost my boyfriend. What do I have again?
Ojo, you have a berry. And you also have me. Okay? Please, stop all this. Remember, I lost my only brother to the cat and my only sister too. Huh?
Is that true? Ojo, you didn't mention that to me.
Please forgive me. A lot happened. A lot happened.
Dikeh, please, tell us the success story.
Not in this mood. You have to snap out of this mood first. Okay? Don't worry, I will take you to a serene place later. That's when you're out of this mood, and I will take up my time to give you the full details. Okay? Come on, it's okay now. It's alright. Stop. It's okay.
Dikeh, the flute. Use the flute. Use the flute. You were supposed to remember her anytime you were in trouble.
I don't know why I wouldn't remember her. Maybe it's anxiety.
You were not entirely wrong. Fear. But mortals are generally not committed to promises in face of trouble. She always needed her around.
She told me that Abalance actually sent the cats to our community to punish us because of the evil of the elders. In fact, it was her presence that was taming them. If not, they would have wreaked more havoc.
So you mean, Ma, your Banje girl was actually helping us?
As a matter of fact, yes. You know, she grew up with this supernatural being, and as such never experienced human love. That was why she opted to come. All she demanded from us was just love, but no one was showing it to her.
I said it. I knew that there was something extraterrestrial and psychosomatically incongruous with that damsel.
Akirika, please, please. Let's hear something. Since you knew, what did you do?
What incivility? What an uncivilized approach to caution or reprimand a conquering warrior from the territory of the cats.
Akirika, please, calm down.
Chief warrior, let me learn. It's paining me. This is subjecting my intellectual quotient to public pillory.
Are you done? Please. I'm having a headache. Can we just go and relax? Maybe some other time we can come out and
No. Not until you tell us how you got the cats. Please.
The great warrior from the lineage of great hunters. You have conquered its love. Arise and pick up the head of Abalance, the benevolent god. Rush back for the cat's mission. Will unleash their final mayhem on the community. Rush back to forestall their evil.
My princess, I thought I was coming to carry the head of the Abalance the cat.
Another riddle of the gods.
Thank you very much, my priestess. Thank you.
So, what of Uloma?
Well, she has returned to her original form in the underworld. As a matter of fact, she is the priestess herself. She will come back again if need be, but this time around no more as Olama, but as the great priestess of the great deity Abalance the cat.
Is the land free from the evil of men that committed this atrocity?
In fact, the day the eagle died was the day our land was liberated. But something has to send the cats back to their cage. And that is what the head of Abalance the cat has done. Are you satisfied? Can I sleep?
Yes, you can sleep.
Thank you.
It was a successful coronation.
Yes.
Very soon, our community will build a palace for you.
Swanu!